What's up everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to properly maintain your spin bike. My name is Pedro, I'm the owner of gymstallations.com and we have been servicing equipment for the past 10 years. Let's get started. So the reason why you want to properly maintain your spin bike is because components like the upright on the seat and the upright on the handlebar, eventually they collect dust and sweat. For this reason, these have to be clean and lubricated so they can run smoothly when you're adjusting the height. Another thing that we have to do to maintain this bike, this one is flywheel belt driven. We're gonna open the components over here. We're gonna check that the belt doesn't have any cracks or dirt. We're gonna make sure the components are clean and free of debris. The tools that we're gonna be using for this job, we're gonna have this microfiber towel that is gonna help us remove the debris and dust on the equipment. We have this other microfiber, which is where we're gonna be spraying the lubrication. We have the Phillips screwdriver that is going to help us remove the belt cover. These two wrenches with the Allen key, which are going to be for adjusting the tension on the belt. So guys, the first step is going to be exposing the upright and sliding the handlebar forward. The way we do it is by pulling the pin down here. Holy shit, definitely this one needs a lubrication. There we go. Then we're going to slide the handlebar forward. We're gonna take our microfiber towel and we're just gonna pass it over the exposed components. We're gonna try to remove the dust, dirt, and clean the sweat. After that, we're gonna grab another clean rag. We're gonna spray the lubricant on top of the rag, and this is what we're gonna be passing everywhere on these components. Remember, we want to slide the handlebar back, exposing the front section, and this front section has to be also lubricated as well. Okay, next we're going to do the same procedure, but here at the back of the seat, we're going to be exposing the upright, and we're going to be sliding the seat back. These components have to be properly cleaned. We're going to use our microfiber towel, pass it over every single location. Also, don't forget the back. Right after, we'll grab another microfiber. We're gonna spray it with our silicone-based lubricant. Pass it over the upright on every single location. And not forget the seating slider, the seat slider at the back, at the front. And that's pretty much now properly lubricated. So the next step, we wanna expose the components that we have inside of the bike by removing the belt cover. In this case, in this bike, we're gonna have 8 bolts total, which is gonna be 7 at the front and only 1 at the back. In your case, with your bike, might be a little different, but it's pretty much the same principle. So now that we have all of these components exposed, the first thing that we want to check, in this case with this bike, is the belt. As you can see, it has channels right here in between. You want to make sure there's no dust. You want to make sure they are not cracked. And of course, you can just pretty much get started pedaling and go over the whole belt just to make sure it is in proper condition. In this case, this belt looks almost brand new. Next, we're going to be checking the tension on this bike. As you can see, the tension is quite loose. The way how we're gonna get that is by tightening this bolt right here. This is gonna raise the belt in this section, adding tension to the whole system. So right here, we're gonna get started loosening this bolt. This is just simply what is keeping the tension at this angle. By losing it, we're freeing this whole component. Once we have this one loose, then we're gonna pass to the pivot point with the Allen key. Just a few turns, and then it is going to keep the this structure completely free. There we go. And then, last step to add the tension, we're going to be adjusting this nut up here, which is going to drive this whole component up, reducing the distance, adding more tension that you're just going to see in a second. So now that we have tightened this nut right here, and we have the proper tension on the belt, we're gonna keep going and tighten the pivot point that we have down here, and also the bolt that is just gonna keep the tension in place. Now that we're done with the components inside and the belt has the proper tension, we're just gonna add the cover back on. And this is how you guys properly maintain your spin bike. You have increased the lifespan of this machine for many more years. If you want to see any other video, let us know in the comments below. Subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!